We spent years teaching machines how to speak our language, write our poetry, and solve our equations. We built an intellect that lives entirely behind glass. But the screen is shattering. Today, intelligence is stepping out of the server and into our homes, our streets, and our workplaces. It is no longer just calculating our world. It is coming to live in it. And the most profound change of our century won't be measured in lines of code, but in how it reshapes the rhythm of your everyday life. To understand how deeply this shift will touch you, we must look at what is already crossing the threshold from science fiction into reality. Today's artificial intelligence is no longer restricted to chat windows or factory floors. It has acquired eyes, spatial reasoning, and the foundational software required to navigate physical spaces. In controlled logistics environments, high-throughput fulfillment centers, and early-stage hospital pilots, embodied AI systems are already managing physical goods, tracking inventory, and assisting medical staff with heavy patient transfers. Vision-language action models allow these machines to hear a natural request, interpret a cluttered environment, and physically execute tasks, sorting supplies, organizing hospital wards, and delivering goods across complex, shifting human environments. Yet right now, these machines remain visitors. They are specialized, expensive, and largely confined to structured commercial spaces. They do not yet know how to share our streets, our homes, or our chaotic daily routines on a mass scale. But that barrier is eroding faster than we realize. Why hasn't this transition happened overnight? Because the physical world is messy, unpredictable, and infinitely complex in ways a digital screen can never capture. In software, a mistake results in a typo or a recompiled line of code. Furthermore, current hardware is fundamentally limited by battery life, weight constraints, and the immense cost of precision engineering. While software can be copied globally with a single click, changing a physical robot's hand, gearbox, or power supply requires heavy industry, supply chains, and grueling physical prototyping. The gap between a clever computer simulation and a machine that can safely navigate your living room without breaking down remains one of the greatest engineering walls humanity has ever tried to scale. What happens when that wall finally falls? When autonomous systems and humanoid machines cross the threshold from industrial novelties into everyday infrastructure, the impact on human society will be immediate and inescapable. Let us separate what is happening now from what is rushing toward us over the next decade. The economic and workplace reality. Today, acute labor shortages are driving automated investments in structured jobs. Over the next 5 to 10 years, as hardware costs decline, autonomous labor will expand into elder care, municipal maintenance, construction, and delivery logistics. The shift in daily life. Imagine aging populations receiving daily, dignified physical assistance in their own homes from affordable companion robots. Imagine hazardous construction sites, deep-sea maintenance, and toxic waste handling managed entirely without risking a human life. But this transition will force an uncomfortable societal reckoning. When physical labor, the very foundation of blue-collar economies and human identity, is systematically integrated with machine intelligence, our relationship with work, purpose, and economic security will be permanently altered. We are moving toward a world where human effort in physical spaces is no longer mandatory for survival, forcing us to redefine what value means when a machine can do almost anything a body can do. For decades, we measured the progress of technology by how well machines could think for us. We marveled at chess-playing algorithms, generative text, and instant code compilation. We treated the digital mind as a magnificent, disembodied oracle, contained safely behind the glass of our monitors and the cold perimeter of data centers. That era has permanently ended. The final frontier of the digital revolution is no longer virtual. It is physical. As autonomous systems bridge the gap between abstract machine reasoning and physical manipulation, they are preparing to step out of the laboratory and share our homes, our workspaces, and our streets. Think about what this actually means for the texture of your daily existence. We are looking at a near future where the physical burdens that have defined human history, the back-breaking labor of construction, The exhausting grind of logistics, the heartbreaking physical isolation of understaffed elder care, can finally be met with tireless mechanical assistance. Imagine a world where grandparents receive daily, dignified physical support in their own homes, where dangerous industrial accidents become relics of the past, and where human hands are freed from toil. Yet this transition will also test the foundational pillars of human society in ways we have never experienced. When physical labor, the very anchor of blue-collar economies, generational skills, and human identity, is systematically integrated with machine intelligence, we face an unprecedented existential question. What happens to the human sense of purpose when a machine can walk, lift, build, and care just as well or better than we can? How do we structure an economy where human physical effort is no longer mandatory for survival? We are standing at the exact pivot point of human history. For thousands of years, our tools were passive instruments waiting for our grip. Now our tools are waking up. They are learning to navigate our hallways, respond to our voices, and shape the physical world around us. The defining question of the next decade is no longer what intelligence can compute or what code it can write. It is how human society will preserve its dignity, its empathy, and its soul when the machines we built finally learn how to walk among us, carrying a pair of hands. Because once they take their first step into our reality, there is no turning back. The future isn't just arriving on a screen anymore. It is opening our front door. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the dawn of physical AI. If you want to stay ahead of how technology is reshaping our world, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next investigation. The screen has gone dark, but the shift has just begun. Stay curious, stay human, and I'll see you in the next one.